biochemical the thinking-feeling loop. The author describes a cyclical process where thoughts trigger biochemical reactions that produce feelings. These feelings, in turn, generate more thoughts equal to how the body feels. Hardwiring the past. Eventually, this loop hardwires the brain into specific patterns and conditions the body to live in the past. Subconscious control. By the mid-30s, 95% of a person's identity becomes a memorized set of automatic behaviors and emotional reactions. The body, as the unconscious mind, effectively runs the show. Energy storage. When caught in loops of anger, guilt, or lust, creative energy is pulled from the body's invisible electromagnetic field and stored as emotion in the lower survival centers, the first three energy centers. The field is created by the polarity between its north and south poles. Similarly, when energy flows freely through the body, from the south pole, base of the spine, to the north pole, brain, it creates a measurable electromagnetic field. Loss of charge. When energy is trapped in the lower centers due to survival emotions, the current stops flowing. The body becomes like an inert piece of matter, losing its protective electromagnetic field and reducing its capacity for healing and repair. Physiology of the breath. To reverse this process, the author introduces a breathing technique designed to pull the mind out of the body. Cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. Pump. Naturally, the sacrum and the skull sutures move slightly during respiration, slowly pumping CSF up and down the spinal cord. Active acceleration. By consciously contracting the muscles of the pelvic floor and abdomen, the first three centers, while inhaling, a person can force this fluid upward toward the brain. The inductance field. Because CSF contains charged molecules, accelerating it up the spine creates an inductance field. This field draws stored energy from the lower centers and delivers it to the brain. Outcomes of the technique. Successful execution of the breath results in significant changes to the body's energetic state. Torus field. The restored flow creates a torus field, a recurring pattern of creation found in nature, from apples to galaxies. Brain waves. The influx of energy arouses the brain, often transitioning it from high beta waves, associated with external focus, to gamma brain waves, associated with superconsciousness and mystical experiences. Prana tube. The movement of life force up and down the spine forms a tube of light, or energy, known as the prana tube. A stronger prana tube indicates more life force available for healing and creation.